Hi, this is my 2003 Yamaha R6. For some of you that's following me, I actually got it fixed. For watching this for the first time, I replaced the coil pack and the harness, spark plugs. I did replace the airbox sensor, the one gets like a D20. I did had it, no chicken light. Replaced it, block off plates, removed the charcoal canister, fuel pressure regulator. I replaced because I thought it was that, because every time I disconnect that hose and connect it, it will run just fine, and later on the day it will act up. And I stripped the right side of the bolt. I don't know if you really see it, but what I'm doing, I wish I could show you the old one, but a crackhead down the road ended up stealing it. I think she thinks probably was a pipe. She stole my tools and food. Yeah, and we actually had a refrigerator outside, and we always offer anybody that comes hungry, we always leave our door open for anybody that's hungry. Replaced it. I had to cut the side of it, then barely it came off, and I was jiggling it because I took the other side off and I started twisting it and it came off. Put a new one, and still acting up. I saw this guy semi-pro garage, I believe, and he had the same issue mine was having, but it was a little bit different. His check engine light came on, mine didn't, but he says on his white smoke was coming out on his, I think his update, and it did make the same kind of noise, but not as much as his did. And I just disconnect my power commander, did a 500-mile run, worked just fine, no problem, no check engine light. You know, it sucks. I spent $600 trying to fix it. Took it to 2 companies and they didn't know what the damn problem was. I just say, in my opinion, if you guys have the same issue I'm having or what he's having, and you have a Power Commander 3 or Power Commander 5, it's up to you. It's your bike. Maybe you might want to disconnect it first and see if that's not the problem, because I ended up spending $600 and took it to 2 dealerships, and I was getting already upset. I think I thought it was the engine performance, like head gaskets. Even people were telling me that was a head gasket because it's white smoke. But all this problem is because of that. And you know, like I said, no check engine light. And when they threw out the white smoke when I came back from Fresno, and I'm sorry I didn't need a video earlier. I was on house arrest. I had to go to work and home, and you know, some punk ass kids tried to run me off the road with my kids in the car, and I ended up getting in trouble, not them, not even one of them. And it was funny because they had their license plates covered, and I still get in trouble. They didn't even get a ticket, but I settle, and yeah, I got house arrest. And here's the video. I do apologize if I'm rambling on, but like I said, $600 just guessing part. I could have probably saved that money. Like I said, and a new TPS, and look, it was all just that. I could have did that. Oh, another thing, if you're buying those Amazon titanium bolts, let me see if I can. I mean, they look silver. And I didn't really replace them, all of them, like on this part. But this is word to the wise. They don't give you the actual size for your little, whatever they call these pieces. Well, I have to order off on Amazon or eBay. I got it off of eBay. And have to wait for that. And for the coil pack harness on this model, they want you to use the 03. I heard you could use the 05, 04. If you have used those, please hit me up and tell me you can, because I have like 2 of them sitting here that I got off eBay. Like I said, I replaced it and still acting up. Until I took that off, it stopped. You know, pretty pissed off, but oh well. I mean, nothing but love, right? Nothing but love. Hope this video helps you guys out. I mean, you guys have any other questions, you know, like I said, let's try to help out each other, save that money, spend that money here at the house with our kids and family. All right, take care.